In this video, we're going to look at a to-do list in Virtual Inventory. The to-do list can be found on the home page when entering Virtual Inventory, and it's a list to highlight what activities is needed on requests. The to-do list contains several elements. The first element is the possibility to favorize which request should be the priority one for your whole company. This will be visible for any user from your company. The next is what type of request this is. You can here clearly see in this example that these requests are sell requests where you are required to sell something from a different operator. One can also see the identification number and the date of when the request was originally created. One can also see the status of the request and also a short description of what the request entails. One is also able to add a note to the request, which will be visible from any other user from your own company. And of course, from this list, you're able to navigate directly to the request and process it from there.